Can I be arrested for a DUI days later? Yes, this happens all the time. Usually it involves a car crash. Typically there's a car crash and the person that was in the car is taken to the hospital and the officer gets there and is like, I don't want to deal with this right now. Hey, doctor, call me when you have the blood results back and we'll figure it out from there. And so in cases like that, we've had DUIs filed days later. I've even had DUIs filed almost a year later when the blood results come back. Sometimes there's not an accident, but the officer is making a judgment call. Maybe there's drugs involved, legal or illegal, and the officer's like, well, you know what? I don't smell marijuana. I don't smell alcohol. Let's take your blood and let's see what happens. And those cases, again, it could be a couple days later. It could be more likely months later. And the third time I've seen this, like charges days, weeks, months later, is when an inexperienced officer makes an arrest and the person is only charged with reckless driving, when it could support a DUI charge. And then the person hires an attorney that doesn't understand nuance or doesn't understand how lucky that person might be by only getting charged with reckless driving when they could equally be charged with DUI. And they start hooting and hollering, and this is a bad case, you can't do this. I see this a lot. Charges get upfiled days, weeks, months, maybe even a year later. And people call me, Mark, they charged me with DUI years later. Well, your attorney didn't do a very good job representing you. They should have pled guilty to that reckless driving. They should have seized the moment before they could upcharge. So yes, a person can be charged with DUI days, weeks, months, even a year later after the incident occurred, and is not that uncommon. So here's a takeaway from this video. If you have been in an accident and your blood was taken from you and you don't know what's going on, call me. Let's figure it out together. I've been doing this job nearly 20 years. I have a very good idea how a case is going to happen. That's just not psychic. I just do this a lot. So if you've been in an accident, your blood was drawn, police were involved, you know that you were drinking earlier that night, maybe you didn't feel intoxicated, but you know you were drinking, or you perhaps use recreational drugs, or even you use regular prescribed drugs in any kind of manner, even normally, give me a call. We can try to figure out what's going to happen. And then again, if we think DUI charges are coming days, weeks, months, even years later, we can do things now to make you look good later. And judges and prosecutors are generally way more receptive and appreciative to things done earlier in time than things done later. I can't stress enough, things done earlier in time look more genuine. So you want to jump on that as soon as possible. And I always have about 5, 6, 7 cases active where we think charges are coming with the client doing things now. And obviously no one wants charges, but when and if it happens, the person looks like a rock star and looks like a good citizen, not somebody out there just causing chaos. If you have any questions about DUI defense, give me a call, 317-632-3642. I will talk about DUI defense all day. But most importantly, remember, always plead the fifth.